In this video, we're going to have a look at an example of how to prepare a back-to-back stem and leaf plot. Now, a back-to-back stem and leaf plot is the same as a single stem and leaf plot, except you have two lots of data onto the one stem and leaf plot. So one lot of data is shown on the left of the stem. The second lot of data is shown on the right of the stem. So we have data set 1 and data set 2 on the same stem and leaf plot. This allows us to compare two lots of data onto the one stem and leaf plot. Now, to prepare a back-to-back stem and leaf plot, you follow similar steps to preparing a single stem and leaf plot. First, you want to arrange both data sets into ascending order, so from smallest to biggest. You want to decide on a scale for your stem that's going to suit both lots of data sets, and then using that scale, add on your individual numbers on both sides of your stem. On the left-hand side for the first data set, on the right-hand side for the second data set. So let's go and have a look at an example of how to prepare a back-to-back stem and leaf plot. So we want to prepare the back-to-back stem and leaf plot for the following data set. And we've got data set A and data set B. So the first step is going to be to go ahead and place each of those data sets into ascending order. So now that both datas have been arranged into ascending order, I can go ahead and have a look at see what scale I want to use. Now I need a scale that goes from 21 up into 59. So I think groups of 10 will be sufficient in this example. So my stems are going to be 2, 3, 4, and 5, which will then allow me to go from 20 up until 59, which covers the scale required across both data sets. So now that I have placed my stem values, I now need to go and do my leaf values. So remember, the leaf values are the last digits in each of the numbers, because the first digits are the stems that have already been placed onto the plot. So for my first data set A, it's going to go on my left-hand side. And this time, when I arrange my numbers, a little bit different to a single stem and leaf plot, I'm going to arrange them, each row of numbers corresponding to each stem in ascending order, this time going from right to left. So having a look at my 20s, I've got 21, 24, and 26. So going in ascending order from right to left, my leaves are going to be 1, 4, and 6. Then in my 30s, I've got 31, 33, 33, and 39. So again, going in ascending order from right to left, it's going to be 1, 3, 3, 9. And then going 40 and 47. So 40 and 47. And in my 50s, it's going to be 52, 55, and 57. So now I've completed my first data set. I need to go ahead and have a look at my second data set. And this data set is going to be data set B. This time when I write my leaves on, instead of going from right to left, I'm going to go from left to right. So looking at my 20s, I've got 22, 24, 27, 27, 27. Then I've got 33 and 39 in my 30s, 43 and 47 in my 40s, and 53, 56, and 59 in my 50s. So I've now prepared a back-to-back stem and leaf plot. I still need to go ahead and add in a key. And once I've added my key, I have completed my back-to-back stem and leaf plot. I could also add in a title onto my stem and leaf plot if I knew what data set A and data set B represented.